I'm Dr. J. You're going to be hearing from Mr. Topstep in a second. Mr. Topstep is called Topstep because the very top ring of that pit, that's where the biggest traders stand. You want to know what they're doing, you got to watch Mr. Topstep.
Good morning, this is Jason Carter from the floor of the CME Group on this Tuesday, November 3rd. We're calling this the Warren Buffett Saves the Equity Market Tuesday. We kind of said that jokingly this morning, is that the S&Ps were looking pretty overall weak this morning until that news came out and the transports were higher off of the opening. You know, most of us seem to think that if that hadn't happened this morning, these equity markets were leaning a little lower. You know, a lot of things going on this morning, and we expect these next couple days to be pretty choppy. You know, you have the unemployment numbers at the end of the week, ISM non-manufacturing tomorrow, ADP employment situation, along with the ECB and BOE rate announcements coming up on Thursday. You know, today, I mean, the S&Ps, just to kind of recap the day, you know, they opened up at 1032.50 and pretty much traded, you know, upwards from there. They made a quick low at 30.80 and it kind of been up ever since and kind of back and filled up to this point. You know, a couple things technicals going on today. I mean, this chart right here I'm looking at is the Dow Jones Transportation Average, just traded right to the 100-day moving average, and once that news came out this morning, we've been up. The other one that we're looking at this morning is the dollar index. Dollar index was a lot higher in the overnight, and if you put up a daily with a 50-day moving average, you'll see that we've traded up through that and then also run a trend channel, and you'll see we're trading now up above out of that channel. I think the market is going to be focused on, you know, the wording of the FOMC the next few days and see if there's going to be any kind of signal to any kind of monetary change in fiscal policy. I mean, I think you could have, you know, a buy the rumor, sell the fact, where people, before anything actually happens, will pile on into the dollar index or actually could be covering their dollars. Okay, for the remainder of the day, I'd expect it to be pretty choppy for the remainder of the day. I looked at if we get below the 1019, 1020 level, that we'd probably see a testing of that 1010. Otherwise, you know, if we stay up in here, we could see a little pop by the end of the day if the transports can stay tough here.